freaked me out. Really did, because I'm looking at him, I'm like, jeez, he's killed himself. Nope. Nope, didn't kill himself. Lost his head. If you want.
That's all right, that's true.
Because some of the chrysalis will just die from natural causes.
Okay.
They won't make it.
Gotcha. It's amazing how they lose their heads. It's.
Yeah, I know. I know. When I saw that, and I was like, shit, I'm gonna have to let them go. I can't have them killing themselves.
They lose their
Let
head.
them go. And then I looked it up, and it said, yeah, and I'm like, seriously? How do you lose your head? It would seem like you would need that.
I know. Unless.
I don't know.
Unless it's just a mask.
I don't know.
Yes.
I don't know. I have no idea. I also found out, you know, the monarch
Yeah.
butterflies, we're always looking for the caterpillars.
Yeah.
They're also very poisonous. Monarch butterflies
Yeah.
and monarch caterpillars.
Oh.
Because they eat the toxins in the milkweed.
Oh.
And that's why birds won't go after a monarch.
Yeah.
Because it's poison. Monarchs are poison.
Good. Okay. Here's a continuation of the cloak butterfly episode here. Looking for what we can find. Like they said, they lose their heads when they get into their cocoons. And see, there's one there. But let's see, we got a couple up here. One way up right here. There's two there. There's four. Looks like they all decided to go up there. It's five. If there's any, oh yeah, there was that one there. 6. Looks like we got 6 quote chrysalis that could hatch in a week or two, I believe. There's a, where is he? There's a caterpillar that didn't make it at all. And then I got, looks like there's one right here that's either going into that phase. Is he still alive? I don't know if he's still alive. I don't know, but that's where we're at. Looks like we got 6 chrysalis now. I don't know if I caught it on the other video. The wife was in here doing something, and she did get two of those thistles in her finger, and she got freaking nauseous and headache, and hands swole up. So that's true. You touch those things and you're gonna have an issue. So all right, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, folks, well, today was the day. She now has 3.
2
Two butterflies?
2 butterflies.
2 butterflies. Yeah. And still got 1, 2, 3,
7.
7.
Yeah.
Wait, listen. Oh, 2 up there. Yeah, 1, 2.
5 up top, 1 on the tree, and 1 on the bottom.
1 on the tree. Oh yeah, there. See what happens. This is what they. Wonder what they have to do now. They just sit.
Well, the one's been hanging, the one that's on the blue.
Yeah.
So he's drying.
Okay, so they're
The
drying.
other one has flown around in there.
Oh. This is drying. So they're drying there. Like drying
Also had its wings open. It's real pretty inside.
Really? Wait and see. So they're black and white when they're closed up.
Brown and
Brown and something.
kind of a yellowish tan.
But because they're cloakers, depending on what they're
They're a morning cloak.
morning cloak. Depending on what they're against, they'll freaking change their color.
What?
Depending on what they're leaning against, they'll.
Supposedly they can camouflage themselves. I don't know if they close their wings up. Because if you close your wings up and put yourself against a tree, you'd look like the tree.
They would black.
The way they are right now, they'd look like the tree.
Yeah.
But when their wings are open, they've got stripes of color on the top and the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And they're kind of burgundy in the center. So they're completely different looking when they're open than when they're closed.
And as you're seeing them from the bottom, they're flying. They may be pretty invisible.
I thought the one laying on the bottom with part of his head still attached
Uh-huh.
was dead.
Yeah.
But when I cleaned out the aquarium,
Yeah.
it's moving.
Inside?
Yeah, so I put it back.
Okay. So it must have just fallen off of the tree.
It never made itself on the tree.
Oh, it never made it. Okay.
But I'd read about it, and it said that they will hatch if they're laying on the ground. They'll just, when they they'll crawl over to something and hang upside down so their wings can dry.
Yeah, I got you. So he's going to be, this one here is going to be taken off from the ground.
And they probably won't touch those lilies because they want rotten fruit or tree sap. They might eat something with pollen.
Right.
And the lilies have a lot of pollen on them, so
Huh.
Lexi grabbed me a few of them.
We'll wait and see. All right. Stay up to date. We now have 4 butterflies. I think she wants to set 2 of them free tonight because it may not be getting enough what they need in here. So she has hatched 4 of these in captivity. And hopefully, it's too bad I can't get one with the wings wide open. They're hiding in all 4 corners.
There you go. There you go. You want to go? You want to go outside? There you go. Want to go? so big outside. Look at the big outside. You want to go? There you go.
That went one.
Bye-bye.